Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you this awesome crochet tutorial how to individually crochet braids, step-by-step tutorial for beginners and very detailed if you are a beginner at this. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Google Sharon. I have my wool here. I'm going to go ahead and tie it around this scotch. So tie a string on two ends. For today's video, I'm going to be working with these 4 packs of darling hair, and it's color number 2. This one is just regular long hair. As usual, we are going to start with the basics. Remove your hair from your pack. I'm going to go ahead and divide my hair. This time I'm going to use a little bit thicker hair. I want this a little thicker than the other one that I did. This is the size that I'm going to be working with. For this, you're going to need some oil. You can use Vaseline or any of your body oils that you have at home. Solid body oil. As usual, we are going to secure our hair to our string. Hold your hair enough like I'm doing here, and then this circular part that you're holding like this, pass it to the other side, and then grab the rest of your hair with the other fingers and then pass it through to make a knot like that. Now pull the longer part of your hair to tighten it to make that knot. Now we are going to twist this hair. You are going to kind of squeeze the hair on your hand. Do this, you see, when you squeeze it as you pass it to the other side, and then you do it a little closer to each other. I realized that if you hold your hair like this and then you kind of rope twist it, it won't turn out as neat as when you just squeeze it a little closer and closer like this. So this way it turns out much neater than the other way. So when you get to a point that your hair is getting a little thinner, now that is when you go ahead and adjust your hair. If you want your hair to be a little longer, your hair needs to be a little less thick, so it goes in hand with the rest of the hair. Hold your hair like this enough, and then add one side to the other side like this, and then this side to the other side, and then you continue twisting. So after you adjust your hair, twist a little closer and closer so the two pieces of hair can stick to each other and then they don't separate. I already did a tutorial on this, specifically on how to twist your hair. I'll link it down below. If you want this tutorial on box braids, I also did that. You guys, if you get to watch this, check out my DIY tutorials. They're absolutely good tutorials that can help you save a lot of money. For me, I love my hair when it's twisted until the last bit. This is how my braids look. Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be working on the hair tutorial that you've seen on my thumbnail. I'm going to section the back of my hair. Now I'm just going to divide my hair. As usual, they are crochet braids, so I'm going to leave a little bit space between my roots and my braid. I'm done doing these mini braids. I'm going to add my crochet needle to my hair, and then I'm going to add my crochet braid, close the latch and drag it through, and then I'm going to add the end of my crochet braid to the needle again, close the latch, and then I'll drag it through the hole, pull the ends of my hair to tighten it, and then now we are going to hide my natural hair inside this braid. So we start here, and then you move upwards. Just move your crochet needle upwards. Just make sure that you don't ruin your braid. When you get up there, add your natural hair to the crochet needle, close the latch, drag your hair through slowly, and then fix your hair up just like this. Brown green. So after I finished up crocheting my braids to my hair, I then went ahead and added my Spanish bulk curls to my hair. So I crocheted the hair in, the curls in, and I did it on the upper part and then a little bit closer to the lower part, I mean in the middle, and then I went ahead and also worked on the ends of my hair. So after you crochet the hair in, you can double crochet it to make the curls, I mean to secure the curls. So to double crochet the hair, first crochet the hair normally and then re-add your hair to the crochet needle and then pass it through to your braid like that. It kind of secures the hair a little more. Or you can just single crochet the hair and then you go ahead and tie it up to secure it. So after I finished up with the upper part of my hair, I then went ahead and started working on the ends of my hair. I wanted a little bit of the curls to the ends of my hair. So for the ends of my hair, I box braided it a little and then I crocheted the hair in. You can tie the hair in as well. You can double crochet it also, and then I went ahead and used my nice and lovely clear gel to lay my edges. So after I finished up my hair, this is how my hair looks. This is the hands. I worked on the hands like I shown in the video. This is how the hands look. So the hair I used is Spanish crochet braids. So I made some carrot oil here. Carrot oil can be used for hair or for body. And then this is the length. So I hope you like today's video and you go check out the other videos that I have on my channel. Kindly subscribe to get me to 1,000 subscribers. You guys, you come around and then you watch and then you disappear. Thanks for watching again and see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe.